welcome back to Drumbits. Today I'm just going to show you really quickly a drum fill. I've shown you a few in the past. This one comes off a typical drum fill that everybody knows, which is just alternating your hands around the drums, 16th note style. It's usually one of the first drum fills everybody learns. 1 E-enda, 2 E-enda, 3 E-enda, 4 E-enda. Now I only have 2 toms here. A lot of people play a 5-piece kit, so they have 4 notes on each drum. In this case, I'm going to split them differently, but it's still the same amount of notes. 1 E-enda, 2 E-enda, 3 E-enda, 4 E-enda. Typical, all right? But what we're going to do to make this different is we're going to take away one of those notes and we're going to add a bass drum note. The bass drum note is going to end up on the last part of each grouping of 16th notes. The last note, the So 1 E and The is going to be a kick on each group of 16th notes. So it sounds more like this. Okay? So we had this as the original fill. Now we're taking the which is usually your left hand, putting it on the kick instead. Okay, so you got that. Here's what it sounds like with a groove. Okay? Give it a shot. See you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing with these drum bits, you can go to my website, www.pedabdou.com, and see more in-depth, longer lessons. I will be posting some of those, and you can download them. So go check them out.